alert right here in the state, and one of the top trending stories on Facebook right now. Today, Governor Mike Pence will declare a public health emergency in the southern Indiana county that's the center of an HIV outbreak.
Yeah, the number of HIV cases is skyrocketing in Scott County. RTV6's Eric Cox live with how the governor wants to put a stop to that epidemic. Eric.
Good morning, Mark and Beth. Yeah, officials say that the situation has gotten out of control and in a very short amount of time. Let's flash back to January of this year when there were just 7 reported cases of HIV connected to drug IV use in Scott County. Well, now that we're approaching the end of March, that number skyrocketed to over 70 cases. And with that being said, the realities really set in when the Center for Disease Control and Prevention decided they needed to set up operations in Scott County earlier this week. The CDC has been working to help those already infected while also offering free HIV testing to everyone in the county. And as far as what this dramatic rise can actually be attributed to, well, the Indiana State Health Department believes it's all a result of needle sharing. Now that Governor Pence has caught wind of the issue, he isn't simply considering this a Scott County problem, but an Indiana problem altogether. That's why he's signing an executive order to send additional resources down to Scott County for the next 30 days. And the governor's office says that the exact stipulations and details of the executive order are still being hashed out at this time, but they are expecting to have them finalized sometime this morning. So be sure to stick with RTV6 for the latest on this developing story. You can do that both on air and online at theindychannel.com. For now, we're live downtown. Eric Cox, RTV6.
And Governor Pence will announce more details on the state's response to HIV this morning at 10 o'clock. You can watch that news conference live on HTSN and on the RTV6 app.